Our vision at Leo AI is one, to allow mechanical engineers to turn their ideas into physical products faster than ever before, to allow them to have full control on the design process, but offload the tedious manual labor into AI agents. And we're doing it piece after piece. So next year, we're about to launch the world's first agentic platform for the physical world. Leo is going to turn from an add-on into a full-blown system. And we're going to change how humans build products. So today, I'm going through all the process from writing the requirements, solving equations, and when I know what I'm about to design, I'm going to design it. I'm designing it manually, right? I do the CAD myself. There is no reason why mechanical engineers should do CAD. Leo is going to be the agent that is going to build the CAD for you, that is going to document it for you. It's going to save it in the right location. It's going to turn it into a physical product, into C code, and spit it out from the CNC machine. This is going to be a united workflow for all mechanical engineers.